Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you a review of my favorite weather widget that I've been using on my devices for quite a while. If you've seen any of the hands-on, I'm pretty sure you've seen it. And I've had a few of you guys ask me which weather widget do I use. It's called HD Widgets. It's one of my favorite. And not only that, you can actually get additional add-ons that will make it even better. So this is TK. Let's go ahead and check it out. So as you guys see, this is the weather widget itself. I have this, and again, I've used it on many of my devices. It has built-in shortcuts, so if I click on the time, it takes me directly into this alarm, clock watch, all of that good stuff. If I click on the moon right now because it's the weather, it'll show me the current weather. I can refresh it. I can go ahead and add different cities if I want. We can select from 3 different weather systems: AccuWeather, Weather Underground, or Open Map. And of course, it'll give us the information with the 7-day forecast. The reason why I really also enjoy this is I can also customize it so that I can actually access my calendar. So right there, it'll open up my calendar, and you can add additional toggles to it. The app itself, as I mentioned, is called HD Widgets, and you can customize it, and I'll show you how. On the left side, we have a little bit of a panel here that gives us access to many things. We have the community access. Glass and gems are the add-on packs, and you can add additional ones that will give you more customizations, more colors, more themes, and all of those have to be installed directly from the Play Store. So the one I like to really use is Kairo. That's the one I'm using on my home screen. You can customize many things into it. So the clock, you can go in there, select different options. You can even make it opaque. And of course, the color of the icon. And you can change the kind of like the setup of the way you want it, the way you want to have, let's say the weather on the left, on the top, whatever way makes you feel comfortable with it. And you'll be able to use it, and then you can customize it. And of course, it has multiple sizes here that you can select, and you'll be able to add it. Now, you notice right there, I changed the information, but again, I can still go all the way to the left here and remove the background. So I can still get that nice transparent look without having to sacrifice the color. But if I wanted color, I can add it back in. The other thing here we have is, of course, the location. My locations, you can add multiple ones. Getting started, of course, there's online user guide if you need any help with this. News and update, Play Store access if you want to be able to update the application. But let's go into settings real quick. So we have weather settings here. We have location, weather information, time in units. Of course, you can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius, notification widgets, application links, and hotspots. So those are the shortcuts I was showing you guys with the switches and widget sizes. Battery bandwidth, right setting, access, support, and update, and of course about. So under the widget, you have multiple options. You can add the weather widget, or you can add toggles. So you have switches, which is what you're going to be able to customize as well. And again, you can change the different customization. You'll notice right there, this is actually very reminiscent of the way the HTC one used to look like. And I don't think HTC devices have those anymore, but you can add switches. You can add them in different form factors, 6x1, 6x2. And of course, you can go in there and make it super, super thin, because this will also work on your tablet. So it's very, very functional there. And again, you can make it the best way you want. And of course, you can still add things from Kairo, but once you add this, it takes you directly into the application. Very simple, very easy to use, and you can definitely enhance it by adding additional add-ons. So for me, Kairo is pretty much always the go-to, which gives me the ability of putting this in there. Very easy to set up, very easy to use, and definitely my favorite weather widget that I've been using for a while. Now, you can use it to set up a clock or a weather widget, or even use it for toggles, so that's really one of the main benefits. And it's going to work with any launcher, either be it your stock launcher or your custom launcher on Android. Both the application and the add-ons are available on the Play Store. I'll give you guys a link in the description below. Again, this is what I like to use for a weather widget. What is yours? I'd love to hear what your thoughts on it. If you've used HD widgets before, do you still use it, and what are your thoughts on that, and how do you customize that? So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, all the information I'm going to give you guys will be in the description below. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thank you very much for the support. I'll see you guys in the next video.